Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by simply tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can swipe up or down on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces. And then once you find the watch face you would like to use, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also open the watch face menu through settings. So wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter. Here select the display option. Styles option, not display. So tap on styles, and then it will open the watch face menu, as you can see. And here you can find the watch face you want to use, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also use the phone application to change the watch face. So I'm gonna move this away, bring the phone here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone like this. And on the phone that is paired with your smart band, you can open the Mi Fitness application. In it, tap on device icon, then select the manage band displays, tap on my band displays, and here you have list of watch faces installed on your smart band. You can tap on one, tap on apply, and it's gonna be applied to your smart band. And that's how you change the watch face on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.